Hello friends, welcome back to the Excellence Forum ABCD of Accounting, and we are conducting the Income Tax Literacy series. So far we have in the previous series have completed salary and income from house property. Now in this video we will be seeing income from business and profession. So, first of all, we will see the meaning of business and profession. The term business means any economic activity carried on with the motive of earning profit, which includes any trade, commerce, manufacture, any adventure or concern in the nature of trade, commerce, or manufacture. The term profession is an occupation requiring purely intellectual or manual skills, means an occupation requiring some degree of learning. Example of profession: CA profession. The term profession also includes vocation, which means when a person spends major part of his time for earning some livelihood. As you know that we have been doing business with the motive of earning profit. Then what does profit means? Profit may be in any form, whether it is in cash or in kind. In capital form, capital receipts, voluntary receipts, application of the gains of trade is immaterial, and legality of income. Income from distinct or various businesses. And after deducting the losses and expenses incurred while earning the income in the regular course of business, profession, or vocation, in which the expenses which are disallowed will not be considered and will be added back to your profits. Now we will see who can carry a business or a profession. It must be carried on by an assessee. It must be carried on during the previous year. Means previous year considers April to March. Only profits of the previous year are to be taxed. Income includes negative income also, that is loss, means which has to be set off against the profits earned during the previous year, and the balance amount of profit will be taxable. There is no difference between legal business and illegal business for taxation purpose. Even income earned from illegal business will be taxable in the hands of the assessee. There are various provisions enacted under the Income Tax Act, under which various heads of incomes are chargeable to tax, and income from business and profession is charged under section 28 of the Income Tax Act. So we will see under which particular sections the profits earned due to the business and profession is taxed. The profits and gains of any business and profession are taxed under section 28 subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act. Income derived from trade, profession, or similar association from specified service performed for its member is charged under section 28 subsection 2. The value of any benefits or perquisites, whether convertible into money or not, arising from the business or the exercise of the profession, is chargeable under section 28 subsection 4. Any interest, salary, bonus, commission, or remuneration due to or received by partner from a partnership firm is chargeable under subsection 5 of section 28. Any sum received for not carrying out any activity in relation to any business or not to share any know-how, patent, copyright, trademark, etc. is chargeable under section 28 subsection 5A. Income from speculative transactions. Income from business or profession. Any compensation or other payment due to or received by the assessee during the previous year. Income from specific service performed for its member by a trade, profession, or business. Value of any benefits or perquisites received. Sum due to or received by a partner of a firm, and any sum received or receivable in cash or kind under an agreement is also chargeable under the head business and profession. Any sum received under keyman's insurance policy by a company or the assessee is also chargeable under the head business and profession. Profits on sale of import entitlements, cash against export under any scheme of Government of India, custom duty or excise repaid or repayable as drawback, profits on transfer of duty entitlement passbook, which is also known as DEPP scheme, or duty free replenishment certificate, fair market value of inventory on its conversion or treatment as a capital. So thank you friends for watching, and in the next video we will be coming up with the deductions allowed under business and professions. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. The following links are mentioned below. Thank you.